Good morning, off-road fans. Today, our garage unveils the brand new beasts. With Bluehawk, a compact and agile truck for every terrain. And Red Bear, a powerful car built for the toughest challenges. Nothing can hold them back because they both were built to conquer every challenge. Whoa! But we'll put these two models through tough tests to see which one proves stronger. Now let's start! Number 1, testing the engine power. Whoa! Both cars will face a tug of war on slippery cooking oil to prove their raw strength. Which one will win?
3, 2, 1, go!
Looks like Bluehawk is losing ground here.
Go, Bluehawk, go!
Red Bear, you can do it!
Look, Bluehawk is fighting back. It's so intense, both cars are fighting for every inch. Red Bear is turning the tables. Red Bear is pulling Bluehawk across the line.
Knew it! Red Bear is bound to win!
This is the power of Red Bear.
Next, both cars will be tested on their ability to overcome tough terrain. But before that, I'll upgrade this losing car to make it 10 times stronger.
Upgrade my car quickly. How to build the claw wheel racer. Step 1. Build the car chassis. The motor. The battery box. Build the seating area. Add the seat. Add the steering wheel. Step 2. Build the claw wheels. With this claw-style wheel, the car can hook onto the ground tightly. Step 3. Attach the wheels to the frame. Testing. How to build the grid wheel racer. Step 1. Build the car chassis. Add the motor. Add the battery box. Add the seat. Add the steering wheel. Step 2. Build the grid wheels. This wheel is based on a square grid frame, making it grip better. Step 3. Attach the wheels to the frame. Testing.
Number 2. Testing with sticky terrain. In this round, both Red Bear and Bluehawk must take out a long track, completely covered in slime. It's really super sticky. Let's welcome the comeback of Bluehawk. Will it survive this?
Unbelievable!
It's so strong.
It's getting close to the edge.
Almost there.
Bluehawk wins. Now it's Red Bear's turn to show its super strength.
Go ahead, Red Bear!
Come on, Red Bear.
Woohoo!
Oh no, I'm stuck.
No! Red Bear seems to be having some trouble. We'll take a short break for some quick adjustments.
Guys, fix my car fast.
Now it's the second chance for Red Bear. Red Bear is blasting through the slime.
Red Bear fighting!
Go, Red Bear, go.
Red Bear wins. After the rounds, the final result is clear. Red Bear is our today winner.
Guys, I'm here with my family, getting ready for our biggest barbecue yet. This is my dad.
Hi.
Here's my sister.
Hi. I've got the turkey. Now you go grill the duck.
Awesome. I'm on it.
Ooh.
Get ready, oven. Flames are up. Man, turning this handle is exhausting. Chop, chop. Let's speed it up. Oh crap. Stupid oven. I better fix this before Dad see it. How to build the Lego oven. Number 1. Build the heating chamber. First, I'll build cooking chamber. Next, I'll build the oil draining rack using this Lego grid. Now, I need a tray to hold the candle. The candle. Number 2. Build the grilling section. I'll use these 2 gears and 3 axles to make the rotating skewer. Attach it inside the oven. The chain link. Add the motor. Connect to the battery box. Check now. Now I'll need to add the top cover for the oven. Number 3. Build the roof. Let's test the machine with these carrots. The oven works perfectly and the skewer is spinning smoothly inside. Guys, look at the oven I just fixed.
All done. The table's ready.
Is the duck done yet? I'm starving.
Hang on, the duck's almost ready. I've got to speed things up. This motor runs so smooth. I'll brush this duck with my family's top secret sauce. Now I'll take these to the table and feast.
Wow!
They look so delicious. Yummy roast ducks have arrived.
Wait, you can't have a barbecue without veggies.
Oops, let's grill some more vegetables. Grilled veggies done.
Wow! We should invite the neighbors too, Dad.
Yeah, good idea.
This is the best barbecue I've ever had.
Today I must eat the best donut in the world. Ew, so gross. These street donuts taste bad. I've got to find a better place. Aha! There's a real fancy donut store here. Whoa! Look at those donuts. I'll take one right now. Yummy. Such a new and tasty flavor. How did you guys make this?
Let me show you the donut making process of our brand.
Inside Krispy Kreme Donut Factory.
Step 1. Mix and shape the dough. First, flour and raw egg are the key ingredients to make our donuts. They will be poured into the dough mixer and then formed into perfect donut rings by the extruder. Now, the mixer pushes out the perfect donut rings and lets them rest for a few minutes to hold their shape. After this, they'll be placed one by one onto the conveyor belt to move on to fermentation and frying.
Wow!
Step 2. Ferment the dough. Here in the main bakery zone, the raw donuts move onto the proofer machine. Here, the raw donuts rest and start rising in a warm environment until they reach full size, while being carried toward the fryer.
How to build the donut proofer machine. Hash 1. The side frames. First, I'll build one side of the machine frame. Now build the gear set. Then, I'll attach for gear sets to the frame. Build the wheel mount beam. Add the wheel. Add the chain links. Next, I'll build the spider gear module to make the whole frame move together. Now I'll need the support stand for the machine. Number 2, the cross-beam frames. This cross-beam keeps both side frames stable and spinning in perfect sync. Add the motor. Add the wheels. Add the battery box. These 3 cross beams will connect both side frames together. Add the battery box. Number 3, the tray holder. We have a total of 13 trays for this proofer machine. Testing. LEGO gear.
Step 3, fry the donuts. At this step, the donuts are fried on a long conveyor filled with hot oil. In the middle, donuts meet the rotating arm, where they're flipped to make sure both sides are evenly golden fried. Now the donuts are cooled down to prepare for glazing.
Step 4, glaze the donuts.
A tray filled with hot chocolate is waiting. As soon as the donuts arrive, it tilts down to pour warm chocolate over them. While the chocolate's still warm, colorful sprinkles are also added on top to make the donuts look prettier and taste better.
Step 5, transport the donuts.
The final donuts are packed into boxes and go through a strict quality check. Before they are loaded onto trucks for delivery to our brand stores. That's how we make our donuts. What do you think?
Amazing. I'll take 500 donuts for my birthday.
At a water park.
Delicious!
So cool!
This pool party is still kind of boring.
Maybe we should bring a surprise.
Good idea.
30 minutes later.
The foam party machine's delivered.
Let's get it up on the tower. Foam spray. Attach it underneath the machine. Want to test this foam maker?
Yeah, sure. Oh, that foam shot straight into the far pool.
Woo! Awesome!
Wow, this is exactly what our pool party needed.
Let's foam up the whole party.
How to build the foam maker. Number 1, build the rotating motor. The gear. Now put it inside the housing. Connect to battery box. Number 2, build the foam spray head. This head can rotate and spray foam in all directions. The top module is done. I'll build the bottom module. Now I make a nozzle for the foam output. It has 2 nozzles. Attach the head to the body. Now the spray head can rotate 360 degrees. Foam spray. I'll try using the foam spray to put out this candle. It has 3 spray modes. Single foam, dual foam, and dual foam with water.
First, let's get this pool party ready. I'll add 2 massive speakers to the DJ area.
Wow!
And upgrade this area to a stylish poolside bar.
I love it!
Here, I'll set up a full buffet spread.
Wow, so much food.
At each pool, I'll add a water slide. Our pool's upgraded. Now let's spray the foam.
Yeah!
Let's go foam!
Let's switch to dual spray mode.
Oh crap, the foam's on the food.
Hell yeah! I've got foam beer! This party looks fun!
Let's join in, honey.
This is the best party ever.